Hello everyone, welcome to today's video. I am Muhammad Abdul Basit and in this video I will be explaining to you memory hierarchy in computers. Let's first discuss the overall memory hierarchy. Here we have a pyramid diagram and at the top of this pyramid we have registers. Registers are the fastest but smallest memory. At the second layer we have cache followed by main memory. The second name of main memory is also RAM. At the last we have secondary storage such as hard disks and SSDs. Notice one thing that as we move at the top of this pyramid, we have the highest speeds but smallest capacity. But as we move at the bottom of this pyramid, we have lowest speeds but highest capacity. Alright, next we have registers. Registers are located inside the CPU itself. That's the reason they are the fastest memory. It stores the data in very small capacity, such as in bytes or in kilobytes. Registers holds the instructions and data that CPU is currently working on. Its access time is one CPU cycle. Next we have cache memory. Cache memory plays the role of bridge between CPU and RAM. It stores the frequently used data so that the CPU doesn't have to wait for the RAM every time. It is faster than RAM but also smaller in size, and its access time is in nanoseconds. Next we have main memory or RAM. It is a volatile storage, which means if the power cuts off, your all data will be lost. It holds active programs and data. It is larger than the cache but also slower than cache. Its access time is tens of nanoseconds. At the last, we have secondary storage. It is a permanent or non-volatile storage. This means if the power cuts off, your all data will be still safe. It stores operating systems, applications, and all the other stuff that we store in our device. It is the slowest memory layer and its access time is micro to milliseconds. Alright, to summarize, registers are fastest but smallest. Cache, it is very fast, it reduces RAM delays. Main memory stores active data and programs. And secondary storage, it is slow but huge in capacity. Alright, this is all for today's video. I hope you have learned something new.